Example 2, 98 to the power 5. 98 it can be written as 100 minus 2 the whole power 5. So what is my A? My A is 100. What is my B? It is minus 2. Okay, you only know the formula of A plus B the whole power n. So your B is minus 2, your n is 5. So your number of terms is 6. So you need to get 6 terms in total. Okay, so let's solve. So I have 100 minus 2 the whole power 5 equals 5c0 of a to the power n minus k, which is 5 minus 0. I'll write down the formula here. So I have summation of k equals 0 to n of n c k, a to the power n minus k, b to the power k. So 100, 5 minus 0. What is my b? Minus 2 to the power k, which is 0, plus 5c1 of 100 to the power 5 minus 1 times minus 2 to the power 1, plus 5c2 of 100 to the power 5 minus 2 times minus 2 to the power 2. Okay, when you write this, you can write the powers easily. Plus 5c3 times 100 to the power 5 minus 3 times minus 2 to the power 3, plus 5c4 100 to the power 5 minus 4 times minus 2 to the 4, plus 5c5 times 100 to the power 5 minus 5 minus 2 to the power 5. Questions are very easy. Calculation mattunda you have to be very careful because the marks are only for the final answer. So be very careful when you are calculating. Okay, what is 5c0? 5 factorial divided by 0 factorial 5 factorial. You need not compute this for every question. You always know that the coefficient of the first term and the coefficient of the last term is always 1. Okay, so 5c0, 5c5 is always 1. Okay, so I am not writing this. I have a 1 times 100 to the power 5. What is 100 to the power 5? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 zeros. 100 to the power 5. So 100 times 100 times 100 times 100 times 100. 5 times 100. So you have 10 zeros. Okay. So it is 100 times minus 2 to the power 0 is 1. So first term is over. Plus 5c1 in a 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial times 4 factorial. 100 to the power 4. So I have 1 followed by 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 2 to the power 1, which is minus 2. Be very careful with the sign. Plus 5c2, 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 3 factorial. 100 to the power 3 is 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 4. Plus, what do I have? 5c3. 5c3 is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2 factorial. 100 to the power 2. So I have 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Times minus 2 to the power 3 is minus 8. Plus 5c4 in a 5 factorial, 1 factorial, 4 factorial. 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial times 4 factorial. 100 to the power 1. So it is 100 times minus 2 to the power 4 is 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So it is plus 16 plus 5c5 is 1. 100 to the power 0, 1. Minus 2 to the power 5 is minus 32. Okay. Be careful with the signs. What is my next step? I have 1 followed by 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial, 4 factorial and you have 5 factorial. 5 factorial can also be written as 5 times 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. So I have 5. So it is 5 times minus 2, which is minus 10. Minus 10 times this, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros irukku. Times 10 na you have one more zero. So this becomes a minus. So it is minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. I have 8 zeros here. 5 times 2 is 10. I have a minus potache. 10 into this number, I'll have one extra zero in this number. Okay. 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial enna? 5 factorial can also be written as 5 times 4 times 3 factorial divided by 2 times 2 factorial is 2 into 1 times 3 factorial. 3 goes off, this goes off, so I have 10. Okay. So that is my 5C3. So it is plus 10 times 4 times this term. 4 times 10 is 40. When I multiply to this, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros with a 4 in the beginning. So it is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 4 times 10, which is 40. 40 na 1 0 add agum and the first digit will have a 4. Okay. Plus, what do I have? 5, 3, 2. The same thing. So coefficient is 10. 10 times this term. So I'll have one added 0. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros times minus 8. So it becomes minus 8 followed by 5 zeros. Minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, it is 5, 1, 4. What is it? It is the same as this. So the value is 5. 5 times 16. What is 5 times 16? 80. So it is 80 times 100, which is 8000. So it is plus 8000. Minus 32. So how do you solve this? You consolidate all the positive terms and add them. Then you take all the negative terms and you add them. Finally, subtract both the terms. Okay? So enna kadaikum? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus this term. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 4. Then I have in the positive term. So it is 3 zeros and 8. So I have 0, 0, 0 and 8. So what do I have? 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 1. So this is the summation of all the positive terms. Now negative terms. Negative terms enadhu? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 zeros. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 followed by 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 followed by 8. Then I have minus 32. So these are all the negative terms. I'm going to add them. So it is 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, 1. So basically this is the summation of all my positive terms. This is the summation of all my negative terms. But this I'm going to subtract this and this. Okay. So idilendi the subtract panna poren. So I'm going to write 1, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0. So this number minus this number. So I have 2, 3, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0. Always write it from backwards. 8, 0, 0, 1. So it's 8, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So when I subtract, what do I have? Borrow panano. 7, 10, it becomes a 9. 10, it becomes a 9. This becomes a 10. Okay. This is how I solve. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. 7, 0. Again I have to borrow. So 4 length 3, 9, 10. So I have 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. 3, 0. 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is my final answer. Okay.